Hey, what's up, guys? It's me, Santosh here. Let's continue from my last recording. Last recording, we did some modification in the websites, and we were changing few things. We didn't change any colors, so we just change few things. How to add a link, how to merge the link, how this works. It was really nice. So what I was thinking is. Was it possible VS Code can do animation? Let's check. Because just strike through my mind. Sure. I mean, like nothing have changed, guys. It's the same VS Code. Website is saying it's going to be the same website here, right? Let me check if we can do animations or not. Can we do animation for my website? Can we do animation for my website? Okay, let's check what it says. We can, while we are chatting, right? We can always switch from agent to ask and ask to agent. The user wants to add animations to the website. That's right. I should add some nice modern animation that enhance the user experience without being overwhelming. I can add fade in animation for post when the page loads. Yeah, smooth over effects, button click animations, scroll animations, loading animations. Right? It's giving me all animations which is required for a proper, best website. So let's check what it says. Oh, it started editing. You don't want a VS Code or don't want Copilot to do anything to your website, you need to mention that in your prompt. Okay, that we have to be very careful. You can instruct Copilot what you want to do, what it wants to do, right? What you want to do, you have to instruct your Copilot. It's like your friend. You instruct not to do, it will not do. You instruct to change, you do this, you give the instructions, it will follow the instructions. That's how it is designed. So perfect. I've added beautiful animation throughout your website. Oh, it's added sidebar, status, page load, community items, buttons, hover, post titles. Oh my God. Let me refresh and check then. Guys, you found something change? The way it's showing up, like, light, it's like a sliding bar. Okay. So what has been changed? I don't see anything changes. Hmm. What has been changed? Header, smooth fade in when page loads. Yeah, that icon. So you just click on this, it's fading and coming in. Post over, lift up the shadow effect, scale up smoothly, buttons hover. Okay. Hmm. I see some changes. Let's, that's how the animation is done. Well, what shall we change here? We have a login here. Login, sign up, search bar. Okay, we can keep Google search here instead of our own search. Community wiki page, help center, contact modes, rules, stay on topic, follow community guidelines. Okay, what we can do now here, if we want to add another option here, we can do that. I'll take a screenshot. Okay, I would like I would like to add another option, attached image for reference, where I want the option to be added. So it should come under World news. Option is VS Code. Option is GitHub Copilot. Okay, so it's done, guys. It's added and it's selected a robot icon. That's what I needed. Let me refresh and check now. Perfect. Here it is. Wow, it looks good. Nice, right? So there is nothing inside in it. It's just I wanted to create this and check. I want header. I need some color changes. Let's go to some websites. Show some sample best websites for reference. Illustrator Soviet for UX. No, that's not the one. Raw materials. Let's check how the website looks like. You see the loading. This is also nice. Oh, this is nice. For learning purpose, we can use this. I want I want to change the design like this. Access the website and check how it's been how it's been designed, and I need same way for my website. It's fetching. This will take some time. Meanwhile, it's doing right. You can always parallelly learn something new. One of the website, I guess, which is very famous to learn website designing is W3 Schools. That's what I remember. Yeah, this is really one of the best site for you to learn HTML, CSS, Python, Java, PHP, how to W3.cs, Bootstrap. Nice. Python. You want to learn Python? You can just learn from the basics. You can try executing here. right? Okay, I'll just type print. I'll run. It should show an error. Now why it's not showing the error? Nothing, it's getting printed because that's an error. Everything should be in the double quotes. Here, Prince, you can learn step by step. They will give you exercise. You have till sets, function loops, iterary modules, regex, pep, excerpt, string formatting, Python classes, file handling modules, matplotlib. Matplotlib is very powerful, guys. If you want to plot graphs, labels, which is useful for your day-to-day office works, you can do it. And machine learning, you have scatter, polynomial, hierarchical key means, ROC curve, k nearest neighbors, Python DSA. This is all of the bubble sort lineage search arrays, Python, MySQL, you have MongoDB, you have reference by the auto Python examples, you have nice, you have a boot camp, you can take up exams. This is one of the website where I learned initially, Python, advanced Python, CSS, PHP, MySQL when I was doing my engineering. So this is one of the best website. It has improved a lot. Actually, they came up with the certifications. Actually, you can do the certification. See if you have HTML certification, you can do. You can finish the course. You can join boot camp and finish the certification. You can post on your LinkedIn. People will contact you if you were searching for a job. This is actually a very good website. So let's see whether it's done. You will have this symbol dot. It says something, it's asking you to do it. So it's asking me, it wants to remove some item. I will click allow. So I just completed it. I think it's using the other website which I given the reference. It's developed so many lines of code, guys. Really, it's almost close to 500 lines of code which has already been written. So now it's going to take you. It's, I think I perfectly designed it. Really great. Wow. Dark theme with gradient accents. Everything is changed. Header, hero banner, filter bar, parallax scrolling. Nice. I have to just refresh the browser. Let me hit the thumb symbol because whenever you give helpful, when someone tries to help you, always try to, acknowledge them by saying thanks or thumbs up because, right? Person who would have taught you or teached you, right, they would really won't forget until you reach the success, so they will be behind you. The same way, let's treat the co-pilot as your instructor, right? It's doing everything for you. It will teach you. You can do it parallelly. You can learn. So you give a thumbs up symbol, it will take that as the feedback, and whatever the website response, which is in the coding or whatever the design which is done, which is given it to you by the copilot, Those designs, it will keep it in its mind, in its memory. Next time, whenever you try chat with your copilot, right, it will always give you 100% valid responses. That's the reason we always hit the like button only if you like it, not like, for everything. You just hit the like button. Let me close all this. This was my initial website. Oh my goodness. Wow. This is crazy. Guys, I'll just post the code. Definitely you guys will go crazy. You use the code. I'll post this code in the YouTube. This all the three files, I'll put it in the YouTube in my channel under this video. Download it, put it in your VS Code, run it. It will give you the website. Wow, it's really good, guys. This content, the color, the content hub name is good. Home, work, about, contact. You see, get started really looks good, and it's looking very classic. And I don't have anything in my mind. I mean, like, I don't have some hi-fi words to give prompts to VS Code. Like, my website should look like this. It should look a gradient look, or it should like a blurry images. I cannot, whatever I think in mind, I cannot put that in the VS Code, right? It's very difficult. We need to understand the terminologies for that. So that's the reason you take a very good website as a reference. So it will use that website as a reference and design it for you. Wow, great, guys. So my next video, let's not work on the website. I think website designing, everything is done. We are all done, right? So let's try something new in my next video. Let me research and come back, guys. Till then, stay connected. Please feel free to follow, subscribe, share, do comments, and all of you have a very wonderful day. Thank you. Bye bye.